The agent terminated due to error message in Google Antigravity is a common issue affecting many users. This error is typically caused by a broken or incompatible MCP server, a corrupted extension, damaged anti-gravity configuration files, or a temporary outage on Google's side. This tutorial outlines several fixes that may resolve the issue. Fix 1. Reset anti-gravity onboarding. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus P on your keyboard to open the command window. Type Reset Onboarding and select the option Anti-Gravity Reset Onboarding. This forces anti-gravity to rebuild its internal setup from scratch. Configure anti-gravity again as you had it, then sign in with your Google account again. Fix 2. Check MCP servers. A misconfigured or outdated MCP server is one of the most common causes of agent crashes. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus P and navigate to Manage MCP servers. Turn off all MCP servers, then restart anti-gravity. Re-enable the servers one by one. If the agent crashes after enabling a specific server, that server is the cause of the error. Fix 3. Check extensions. Older extensions that are not fully compatible with the latest updates can break the agent. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus P type extensions and select the option to disable all installed extensions. Restart anti-gravity. Re-enable extensions one at a time. If the crash returns after enabling a specific extension, remove that extension. Fix 4. Wipe anti-gravity configuration folders. This fix forces a full rebuild of all settings and cached data. First, close anti-gravity completely. Open the Run dialog and type %app.a%. Locate and delete any anti-gravity or Gemini-related folders. Then type %local appdata% and check for additional anti-gravity or Gemini folders, deleting them if found. Next, go to Windows Settings, search for Apps, then find Installed Apps. Locate Anti-Gravity in the list. Click the 3 dots next to it and select Uninstalled. After uninstalled anti-gravity from Google's official download page, if the error persists, if you have tried all of the above fixes and the error still appears, there may be a platform-wide outage. There have been days when dozens of users reported the exact same issue across multiple models. In that case, the only solution is to wait for Google to patch the issue on their end. Conclusion: the agent terminated due to error message in Google Antigravity can often be resolved by resetting, onboarding, checking MCP servers, disabling problematic extensions, or wiping configuration folders and reinstalling the application. If none of these fixes work, the issue may be temporary and caused by a Google side outage requiring a patch.